Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and welcome back to my channel. I sound like one of those beauty influencers. Anyways, in this video we're gonna be looking at what's actually new with the iPhone 11 Pro Max that I have here in front of me that I've actually been using for a few hours now. I was about to say a couple of days now, that would be a lie. I've been using it for a couple of hours now, and I've just been going through some of the features that are actually new on this device. Now, this device is using the brand new A13 Bionic chipset, which actually makes the phone much faster than the predecessors. It actually also have improved cameras, which I'm going to show it to you guys in a sec. And it also has this new display, which Apple is calling the Super Retina XDR display. Now, this is supposed to be, actually when they were showcasing the phone on the keynote, they compared this screen with the screen on the new Mac Pro that's set to come out still this year. Hopefully, they will actually deliver on their promises. Now, other features that you also get with this guy is the brand new iOS 13, which also comes with other even more improved features on the device, which I'm gonna make a separate video on that. Now, let's just see actually the quality of this display. If I can actually go to one of my older videos, let's see. Let's play this one.
Is asked of me in this channel now. That question has to be with import fees. That is the prices that you have to pay for duty and customs when buying something.
Let's see which quality is it using. So on 480, let's change it to 1080. And you can actually increase the screen size. The quality, looking at it like this, I actually can't really see much difference. Maybe if I was watching probably a 4K video here, I don't know if actually the YouTube application actually is capable of displaying 4K, but I'm sure it actually does. I'm sure it does. Correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments below, just above or just below the like button actually, and the subscribe button I think is also somewhere down there. Now, the screen quality, as I mentioned, I really don't see much difference. I'm gonna maybe try and just watch more content on it, maybe some 4K content on Netflix, just to see if there is any difference in actually screen quality compared to the iPhone XS Max. Now, one of the other features that actually Apple announced was that the front-facing camera now is capable of actually recording in slow-mo, what they're calling slow fees, which I'm sure the ladies are actually going to be enjoying this feature. But if you're a guy and you think you can use this, maybe actually while running, you can record yourself running in slow motion. But let me know, how would you actually use this slow motion in the front camera? How would you actually go about in using it? So, other feature that this guy has, as I mentioned before, is actually, this is one of the main feature, let me not lie, it's the triple lens setup. Now, this triple lens come with a telephoto lens, which is the one that's cropped in. There is the wide angle, which is the normal one, and there's the ultra wide angle that actually is much wider than all the other two. So for me to actually demonstrate a little bit, I'm gonna take a couple of pictures. So this one right here is, as you guys can see, and there, this one right here is the 1X. So this is the regular camera, and as you can see also now, it actually shows you the whole screen of the phone, just like it actually shows us on my Galaxy S10e, which is actually something good. If I just click on the 5 or 5, it actually zooms all the way out. You can actually see where the top camera is placed right there. You can see the pole there, or the stand, and then you have the 2x zoom, which is the telephoto, which you can actually go much closer. Now, to go to the front facing camera, that is me over there. Hey guys, PMHK here obviously. Now let me see if I can take a portrait selfie, and I'm going to post this maybe on Instagram. And because I actually have good lighting, The quality is actually really good. Let me see. I see the detail. Yeah, there's actually good detail. I see there's something there up my nose which I need to go clean. And yeah, even the colors, I'm not a professional photographer, so I don't even know how to describe this picture. Let me know actually what you think of the quality of this picture. I'm gonna try and upload this video in 4K so you can actually have the best resolution possible for you to judge it for yourself. Now that's the camera quality. Now in build quality, I actually feel like this phone, because I wasn't really using the iPhone XS Max for that long, I feel like this one compared to the phones that I've been using, which is the iPhone XR, I'm also kind of using the Galaxy S10e, and on the side I actually like using, I know I'm using a lot of phones at once, but I use them for different function. I also use the 6S Plus, and compared to those other phones, this actually feels a little bit heavy, but it's not that heavy that you actually wouldn't carry the phone because it's heavy. But yeah, it actually has a little bit of weight on it. And as I mentioned on my impressions video, I actually thought that the cameras would protrude a lot and I thought I would actually have a problem. Let me actually clean the sky, it's a little bit dirty. I thought I was actually gonna have a problem with the camera setup, but I'm actually already used to it, and I've only been using the phone for a couple of hours. And yeah, I actually really like this phone. I would actually recommend you guys to go and get it. Obviously, if you can pay the heavy price that this guy is going for. But other than that, it's actually a really good phone. This is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you watch all my videos on this guy that I'm going to be posting, or the ones that I've already posted. Make sure you leave comments down in the description. Let's engage. I actually want to know what you guys think of the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I want to know if you guys are going to skip this device, or if you're actually going to buy, or if you actually already bought. And also tell me what's your favorite feature of this new iPhone 11. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, which I'm actually sure you did. And I'm gonna catch you guys on my next video, which probably sometime soon. Peace.